video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Google Analytics on your Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And let's get started. First of all, open up your Shopify account, then search for Google Analytics. As you can see here, nothing pops up about Google Analytics. So return to the home page and go over to your settings on the left bottom corner. Then click on Apps and Sales channel and open up your online store. Here you will see a lot of options. Just click on Open Sales channel and then scroll down, go over to Preferences and swipe down to Google Analytics section. Here you can paste a link to get Google Analytics on your Shopify. Now for Google Analytics, go to the main home page and set up your account. Add the name for your account. And then under Property tab, it is important to toggle on the Universal Analytics property. Here check the second box and add your Shopify page URL. After doing it, tap on Next and enter business details. Now you can see there is a universal link here. Click on Properties. Now copy this link and paste it into your Shopify store. Then you have to just save it. Go to admin homepage and click on e-commerce settings. Toggle both of the options and you're done. Now from now in onwards, all the details of your Shopify store will directly be sent into your Google Analytics. So that's how you can set up your Google Analytics on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.